What's up everyone? In this video, we're going to be talking about ND filters from Freewell for the GoPro Hero 11. So the ND filters come in two boxes. The main one, which has the ND 8, 16, 32 and the polarizer filter, as well as a separate smaller box which only has the UV filter. It also comes with this microfiber cloth to make sure your ND filters are clean. Now the filters are pretty easy to remove and put on. All you have to do is just twist it. Remove the filter that's there, and then just place this one and twist it. There you go. One of the main reasons I got the GoPro Hero 11 is for flying FPV, and while flying FPV, I also want to make sure that I'm at the right shutter speed to get motion blur. So ND 8, 16 and 32 basically fit most situations for you to get the lower shutter speed in order to achieve the cinematic motion blur. When I'm vlogging with the GoPro Hero 11, I don't really put on an ND filter. Instead, I use a polarizer filter so that it removes reflections, especially when I'm at the beach. Take a look at some of the footage I shot with the GoPro Hero 11 with and without the ND filter. Freewell is a well-known brand and their products are of amazing quality. Each of these ND filters feel of really good quality and they don't feel cheap or plasticky at all. I do also use the ND filters when I'm making time lapses or time warps. When I mount the GoPro on my car and I'm driving, I do use the darkest ND filter, which is ND 32. However, when filming time lapses or hyperlapses, you want to use an ND filter that's pretty dark, starting ND 64 and above, in order to get the motion blur you want in hyperlapses, especially if you're doing photo hyperlapses, which is what I recommend. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these ND filters also fit the GoPro Hero 10 and GoPro Hero 9 as well. So far, I haven't had any issues with these ND filters. It gets the job done. It gets me what I want, what I require, and for me, that's it. That's what's important. If you're looking to level up your GoPro Hero footage, I recommend getting these ND filters as well. And if you're interested, you can find the links to them in the description below. As always, thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.